Hey guys, it's Brian with SoCo Customs, and we're talking about wheels. So we all follow hashtag SEMA on the Instagram, and we're scrolling through that this time of year. It's tax season, and it sets us into a frenzy of shopping for wheels. What the hell are our bosses paying us for? So we want to talk about just different measurements of wheels and how much the wheels change throughout all the different measurements. So what we've got is a 22 by 14 right here, and we're using a concave example because it seems to be all the rage. A lot of people think that they can get them on their stock trucks. Obviously not this one, but many of the other measurements. So you can see just how deep that is. So we've got about 6 inches between the center cap of the wheel all the way out to the lip. And you probably got about 4.5 inches of back spacing down there. However, maybe you're trying to run around a stock truck, or your lift kit that you're buying says you can only fit a 20 by 9 or a 20 by 10 on there. So we'll head down over here. This is the same wheel, but it's a 20 by 9. It's got probably about 5 inches of back spacing right there, so you should be good, not rubbing on anything. But you can see exactly how different that wheel looks. Now we'll jump down to the one below it, which this is another 20 by 9 example as well. And you can see you probably only have about 2 inches of lip right here. And it's not that huge lip that is becoming so popular on the SEMA builds. Now let's go over to the same example, a 14 wide. And again, you've got about, like 8 inches of lip right there. So as you can see, as we're changing up different measurements on these wheels, you're going to run into problems where the wheels are going to look completely different. Not bad by any means, but if you expect to get quite a bit of lip on a 9-inch or quite a bit of concavity on a 9-inch, you might be a little disappointed when your wheels show up. Oftentimes the best way to do it is find a live example of it. You can't really get that with online shopping, but if you get the opportunity to look, see, touch, and actually do some measurements on there, you're going to be a lot happier with your wheel choice. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, comment with any questions you might have below, and we'll talk to you soon.